So in this video, we are going to speak about circles. So everyone intuitively knows what a circle is. It's like something round in layman's terms or in common terms. But have you ever stopped to think about the mathematical definition or the actual definition of a circle? Not many people do. So let's define what is a circle. So a circle is a plane that is equidistant from a point. Meaning, if you were to draw a line here, and well, we know this as a radius, but there are an infinite amount of radii connecting all the infinite amount of points on the circle. So it's like a set of points equidistant away from a center point, or a point to generalize the statement a bit more. So a circle is a plane of points that is equidistant from a point. In this case is the center. So we know two things about a circle. At least I hope we know these two things about a circle. Something called the area and the perimeter, or more specifically the circumference. Now, the formula for the area of a circle is given by pi r squared, and the circumference is 2 pi r, or diameter by pi. So have you ever stopped to consider what is pi itself? Now imagine you were to alright, imagine you take a piece of string and you wrap it around tightly around some circular object. That piece of string that has been wrapped around some circular object is technically the circumference of the circular object. Now, if you were to measure the length of that string that you wrapped around the circular object and measure the diameter of that circular object, what you would notice is that the length of the circumference, or the length of the string, is 3.14 times the length of the diameter. That is what pi is. It's a ratio of the circumference to a length of a diameter of a circle, and it's a constant for all circles. So you could actually repeat that experiment with the string for circles or objects that are circles around the house of various size, and it would you would get the value of pi. Okay, so now that we have discussed all of that enriching theory, let's define some other properties of the circle. So drawing a circle again, center. Now red denotes radius. The radius is a line that touches one point on the circumference and the center of the circle. That's the definition of the radius. The diameter, let's put the screen. The diameter touches 2 points on the circumference and passes through the center of the circle. That's the definition of the diameter. Yeah, the diameter. Now let's talk about a tangent. So a tangent is a line that touches the circle at only one point. So there we have the tangent. Now, if I were to draw a next radius, this portion here, with this, imagine it as a pizza slice. You take a slice out of a pizza. It's called a sector. I should not have done that in red. Let me do this in the next color. So there we have a sector. And let me just rewrite the word sector a bit further up for a reason. So it's color coded, so sector is part of the area of a circle, like a pizza slice, and this here, this part of the circumference is called an arc. Let me write that a bit bigger. Arc. So we have a sector and an arc. ARC, arc. Now, how do we find the area of a sector? Now, here is some angle. Here is some angle, usually denoted by theta. So, area of sector is theta over 360 multiplied by pi r squared. And the length of an arc, or arc length, is theta 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. Now that's it for this video. In the next video we will continue circles. If you like the content, please like and subscribe.